This is Fannie Mae West with your Monday Money Tip. And today I'm going to talk about planning your money or a financial GPS. If no one ever heard what a financial GPS is, we have David Swoop, our financial guru, here to tell us exactly what a financial GPS is. David, what is a financial GPS?
Well, thank you, Fanny. Let me ask you a few questions first, if you don't mind. Do you know what a GPS is?
Absolutely.
Okay. Have you ever used one before?
I use it every day.
Okay, cool. What do you normally use it at?
I use it everywhere that I go, just because I want to make sure I get there if it's a detour, and also too, I want to make sure I get there on time.
Okay. So let's paint a picture. Let's say right now, I told you, hey, Fanny, get in your car,
Okay.
and I want you to drive to California.
Okay.
Now, have you ever driven to California?
No,
Okay. So what if I told you, hey, Fanny, turn off your GPS?
I would not.
You would not?
I would not.
Okay, but for the sake of this conversation, let's say, okay, no GPS.
Okay, no
now,
GPS.
Fanny, let me ask you a few questions. You've never been to California before.
No.
And so with that being said, what's the likelihood of you getting there on time?
Very unlikely, because sometimes I have a hard time getting to the store without my GPS.
Okay, and so, Fanny, what's the likelihood of you not only not getting there on time, but you might not even make it to your destination at all?
That's very, very likely.
Okay, and so that's perfect. That's actually, in a sum, what a financial GPS is.
Okay.
A lot of times we find ourselves saving up for retirement, saving up for getting out of debt, saving up for a car, or in this case, saving up for a mortgage and saving up for purchasing their own home. But if you have to ask yourself, if you've never been there before, if you've never had any of these things before, what's the likelihood of you actually getting there?
Without a plan, it's very hard.
Exactly, and so that's why for the month of January, I'll be offering my complimentary services of giving everybody who asks a financial GPS.
Oh, that's awesome. That is very awesome. So it's the beginning of 2019. Everybody is talking about financial resolutions. We're not talking about a financial resolution. We're talking about a financial GPS, a money plan. If you have goals, you need to know how to get there. You need to write down your goals, and that's what the financial GPS will do for you. Map it out, write it down, make it plain. And so you know where to go, how to get there, and when you're going to get there, right?
Absolutely.
That plan does all of that. And David is going to give that to you for free this month.
For free.
That's awesome. So thank you for joining our Monday Money Tips. We will see you next week. Have a good one.
Take care.